batidos!
Good job.
Congratulations!
67 days!
Welcome to the central!
48 days of work!
Wow!
Thank you!
Well done, Nielsen. Oh. Well done.
Thank you. Congratulations! Thank you very much. I met you 2 years ago.
Okay, Scott.
Yeah.
Congratulations, sir. Well done. Come on.
You got a hug.
Congratulations.
Beautiful done.
Beautiful, thank you.
Congratulations. Yeah, baby.
Good job. Thank you very much. Oh,
Do you want, now would you like to?
where do you come from?
I'm English. Oh, we came from the coast from Mesnestal.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah.
When did you ride?
Yesterday.
Wow.
So we remember this feeling, it's good, right?
Congratulations. No, but I started with a friend.
We heard the story, yes. Amazing.
After 30 kilometers, he had something.
Oh, dear. But you've done so well. So, stop here and have a drink and a warm-up and then go up the pole, yeah?
That's easy.
We have an airplane coming in about
Yes.
2.5 hours.
Yeah.
And it'll be here maybe 1 hour, so 3.5 hours or so away. So
Okay.
take your time, relax, then go get some pictures.
Yes.
Yeah.
Great, great. We all go in that plane.
All this, everyone,
Yeah. Oh.
except for these two and myself.
Ah, okay.
Only 3 of us staying.
Great, great.
Here we go.
Albert, ¿cómo te sientes?
Hola. Hostia, pues muy contento, muy feliz. Acabar de llegar con este recibimiento. Aún quedan 500 metros hasta el verdadero Polo Sur, pero primero me han ofrecido para comer algo y voy a comer.
Estupendo.
Estoy muy contento.
Enhorabuena.
Hostia, después de tantos días. Espera, és que lo digo en catalán también, porque lo hago en dos. Molt content d'haver arribat i d'aquesta recepció que m'han fet aquests que han fet el darrer grau. I ara m'han ofert alguna per menjar. El Pol Sud està a 500 metres i primer vaig a menjar una mica per refer-me, perquè estic fet caldo. I hi soc! Vinga!